Hello, I'm going to introduce you a beautiful instrument, wind instrument, flute. For playing a flute, posture is very important. You have to sit straight. Actually, if you bend, what happens is you will not be able to blow properly. So you have to be straight while playing a flute. So this posture is very important. You have to be straight. Then, while keeping it, the practice is to turn to your left side. If you are a left-hander, so then the posture comes like this. It will be like this. Like that it will come. This is for a right-hander. So I am a right-hander. Now, how to hold a flute? That is very important. Holding a flute is very important. So first thing is you have to divide the flute into like left hand and right hand position. First is we are going to use this Carnatic flute. It has 8 holes. The 9th hole, which is the big hole, it is for the blowing. And now in these 8 holes we are going to use only the 7 holes, first 7 holes. See here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. The last hole will be left alone. So how to keep the fingers on the flute? For the left you will be having, see, index finger, middle finger and ring finger. On the right, index finger, middle finger, then ring finger and little finger. So totally 7 fingers will be on the flute. The last hole, it will be left out every time. So this is the position in which you have to hold the flute. Okay. Then comes the swaras and all. It will go more of a technical side. So now I'm going to introduce the details about the flute. There are lot of instruments which we get inspired day to day. So the specialty of the flute is it is a very ancient and this wind instrument, it is designed and it is first time it is introduced in India. It is believed that Lord Krishna himself, he played this instrument. So we all are so gifted to play a flute. So there are different types of flute. If you take, there are varieties of flute. To play a western, you have a metal flute, and even in bamboo flute, you have a lot of varieties. And particularly when you play a Carnatic music, so you need to have an 8 holes. 8 holes I mean is to keep the fingers, excluding the blowing hole. So this is a 8 holes flute wherein we use 7 fingers on it. That is a different matter, but we need 8 holes for this. There is yet another flute which is called a 6 holes flute. That is for bansuri. They used to call it as bansuri. They use it for Hindustani music, and even for light music they use 6 holes flute. So what is the difference? The fingering itself, it has a difference. In Hindustani, the 3 fingers kept together, they use it for sa. In Carnatic music, we use 2 fingers for sa. So even the fingering itself, it will get changed from 6 holes to 8 holes. But one thing is sure, if you master in one flute, you can play all the flutes. But it needs some more practice to acquire that. And a lot of people used to call and ask me, what type of flute to be selected? It is whether it's a beginner or it is an intermediate level or it is an advanced level, you need a good flute to play. Because flute needs to have a good sound. Without a good sound, you can't play. Either there may be a fault in the playing or there may be a fault in the flute also. So we don't know about that. So if you go and get any flute, something like that, it is a problem. So first, how to select a flute, that is very important. Shruti, which is very, very important in Carnatic music, we used to say Shruti Mata Layam Pita. So Shruti is very, very important in selecting a flute. Initially, more or less, like from the kid stage, they used to start learning flute. For them, 5 Shruti 5, that is G or 4.5 is suggested. That is age group above 6. I am telling about above 6. So 5 or 4.5 will be suitable for them. 4 also can be played with some more effort. So what is the difference in 4, 5, 6 and all? If the Shruti increases, then the size of the flute will get decreased. If the Shruti decreases, the size of the flute will get increased. For example, this flute is a D Shruti 2. 2 Shruti is much long. If it is a 4 Shruti or 4.5, it will be this size only. So that makes sense, I think. So from here the 8 holes will be there. So it will be easy for small kids to hold it. But how to select a flute? That is very important. You have to keep the Shruti box on. Sa, Pa, Sa will be recorded for each Shruti. So you have to check with, see, now the Shruti is running on. This is the basic. Then you have to play all the swaras. Then you have to play all the ragas. Then you have to play the top notes, whether the top notes are getting set in this flute. See, and the bass, everything is set while selecting a flute. Then only you will be able to play all the basic notes, and then you will get progressed in whatever field you are learning. This is applicable to all types of music, not only for Carnatic music. Any music, if you want to learn, first you need to select a good instrument. That is very, very important. So selection of flute needs a good expertise. So just like that, you can't go and get a flute from a shop and you can't blame them like, I am not getting a good sound. No, that is your fault. You have to blow and select. So that is very important. So if you want to select a flute, you just contact an expertise to select the flute. So that will be very helpful for you. If you have any doubts or queries, please message us. We'll guide you. All the very best. Thank you.
To watch and learn from more such videos, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.